Am I crazy? Look. I'm getting 89, I guess. Like this guy's property, like way back there. Well, it's pretty difficult with all that hill though, or rocks and hill. I wonder what's up there though. Yeah, but that might be how you get to that spot. You know what I'm saying? I'll try to get up there. This is a new little spot. I didn't know you could do this. Sand right there. Dang, there's a lot back here, man. Oh, drop off right there. Dude, this is pretty fun. I didn't know any of this was back here. Hey! Yeah, but look, there's two people. Hey. I don't know any of this area. This is pretty cool. I'm glad I know about this now.
We can go that way.
Oh! Oh gosh! Oh! Come on, Grom! Yes! Woo! This is fun. I'm gonna have to come out here more. I didn't know this was over here. Woo! Oh, this is some beach sand if I know any. Jesus Christ. Am I leaving a trail? Yeah. I was getting stuck. Come on. Oh, which way? Yeah, we've got to have some off-road adventures out here. I'm going straight through that. Almost went down. This is where you bring a four-wheeler right here. Oh, some whoops. Ow. Oh, here's like a trash pile right here. Whoops. Come around the corner. Come around the corner. Don't hit my bike. I like this place. This place is fun. Send it. I got sand in my pants. Oh gosh. You know what's going to be the worst part? We got to find our way out. This is awesome though. Dude, there's so much back here. Oh gosh. I don't think my Grom's making it up that. Come on, Grom! Whew, this is a workout. Oh, oh. Dude, this is awesome. Like every place we've gone is a new trail. You ain't coming? Coming back for you, Sam. What the hell are you doing?
Adding some dirt.
Alright, coming across. Oh gosh. Damn. Ow. Damn. I've hit my pegs a couple times. There's a van. That's pretty scary. I don't know where I am. I don't know. You want to go that way? Come on, let's go this way. Ah, it's blocked off. Oh, gonna take a break here, watch some fireworks. All right, we're gonna hit the road, I guess, the trails again. Gonna kind of see if there's a way to get in here that we didn't know about. All these freaking barriers. Oh, 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 oh. Gosh. Be careful. Be careful right there. Jesus. Oh. This has got to be a way in here. Or out. This is the first one that looks kind of difficult, but what the hell? I felt a spider on me, I could swear. There's a way around it, but I don't know where we are. Should I look at my maps? There's a big log in the way, though. I see something up there, like a sign or something up high. Oh my gosh, what is this? It's not a sign, there's like a huge plant of some sort. Oh my gosh. We're on the other side of Waldo's Beach. Holy crap. Well, there's not going to be a way to get around this, so. Gonna go through it? Okay. After you. Okay, well, back the other way then. Need some help? There, you got it. Almost got it. There you go. Yeah, I am. Grom Garage.
Grom Garage. You gonna go home and look it up, ain't you?
Yeah. There you go. There you go.
This is sticker.
No problem.
That way, take a right. Straight out and you'll see the neighborhood. Yeah, if you just follow the trail and stay to the right, you'll go to the neighborhood.
Okay, so this is the entrance. Hey, look at here. All right, we gotta mark this down or something. No! I lost my shoe. Farewell shoe. I didn't. Oh my gosh, look, this came off too. I plugged right back in. It's all good. Okay, I think we're going to end the episode here. I don't think we're riding anymore, but awesome episode. I can't wait to go back out there. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment down below. Let me know what you think. I'm going to be going out there pretty soon, so if you want to see more like this, definitely make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys next week. Man, that was awesome.